Welcome to part 1 of our ultimate walking tour through the heart of England. Today, we begin our journey along the majestic south coast. Our adventure starts at the Seven Sisters, where 8 massive chalk cliffs roll like waves along the East Sussex shoreline. The view from Beachy Head is legendary, a perfect harmony of traditional architecture and raw, natural beauty. At Burling Gap, you can descend right to the water's edge to truly appreciate the sheer scale of these ancient giants. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, let's travel west. We've arrived at the Jurassic Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site spanning nearly 100 miles of prehistoric history. Durdle Door is its crowning jewel, a magnificent stone arch carved by the relentless Atlantic waves over millions of years. Just over the hill lies Lulworth Cove, a hidden sapphire with waters so clear they look like the Mediterranean. Look closely at Stairhole to see the Earth's crust literally folded and crumpled by ancient tectonic forces. Leaving the coast behind, we head inland to the Cotswolds, an area of outstanding natural beauty and timeless charm. Standing guard over the hills is Broadway Tower, offering views that stretch across 16 different counties on a clear day. At Painswick Beacon, the landscape opens up, revealing the Queen of the Cotswolds in all her panoramic glory. Every winding lane here tells a story, with honey-colored limestone houses that haven't changed in centuries. Our final stop for part 1 is the city of Bath, the only city in Britain where every corner is a World Heritage Site. Founded by the Romans in 60 AD, these thermal springs have been a place of healing and beauty for 2 millennia. The Royal Crescent stands as a masterpiece of architectural design, its sweeping arc a symbol of elegance. Cross the Pulteney Bridge, one of the few in the world with shops built right into its span, overlooking the River Avon. Nearby, Bath Abbey reaches for the sky, its Gothic towers a testament to the city's spiritual and historic depth. As we leave the city, we rejoin the South Downs Way for one last stretch of rolling ridges and vast horizons. Ditchling Beacon, the highest point in East Sussex, makes you feel like you're walking on top of the world. In Kingley Vale, we find a forest of ancient yews, some of the oldest living things in all of Britain. No walk is complete without a stop at a local pub, the heart of every English village community. From the White Cliffs to the Golden Stones, the south of England offers a walking experience unlike any other. But our journey is just beginning. In part 2, we'll head north into the wild peaks and rugged lakes of the north. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in the next part. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.